Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to work on this. It's a vise, a little clamp-on vise. Big Vic gave it to me a while back, and it seems like just the sort of thing I want to work on. Seems to work. Probably could stand to be lubricated and whatnot. Maybe we'll fix it up and make it look a little better too. So anyway, let's get started. Well, that's it. You know, I did not finish putting this little piece right here on there because to be honest with you, I cut that little spot so that I could spread the top of the bolt out and retain this little cap, for lack of a better word. But the way I've done it in the past is I put a little piece of metal in there and kind of crank this down and use that pressure to smush it out. The problem is I don't think these threads are super strong. This thing feels a little loose in there, and I don't want to put pressure on that like so. So if you have any suggestions as to how I can put this on there in a more permanent way, I would love to see them in the comments. But anyway, that's it. I think it looks nice, and certainly looks a lot better than it did. So anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.